Okay, Mr. Frank here. I'm going to show you how we utilize the Quizizz application in physics at our school. We do a lot of things with it, and I'm going to go over just one little example right now so you'll be comfortable using it. So what you do is you go to the Google Classroom main page and select your section. That'll open the page for that class. Go to the assignment feed, and then pick the right assignment. I will have called it quiz or review or something. Open it up, take a little read through it, and then hit the link, and that'll begin the game. Okay, so here's where you go and it starts. If you don't have your name in the system yet, it'll ask you to write your name. I already do, so I don't have to. Right there. Then you have these settings. You can go ahead and ignore them. Then just hit start. You'll get dropped on another screen. Then you hit start game. You get a countdown. Now, here's your first question. This is just a normal, run-of-the-mill, multiple choice question. I ask you a pretty simple thing, and I look for a pretty simple answer. So you just pick the right one, go ahead and click on it. Obviously, the ability to do work. You get feedback. You were right. Now, here's another wrinkle. Okay, here's a multiple choice, but you refer to a picture. So you read the question, you look at the picture, and then you pick the right answer, just like before, but you got to see what's in the picture. This time the answer is rotation, because it's a merry-go-round. Here's another wrinkle. This time the answers are pictures. I ask you a question, the answer could be one of these pictures. So go ahead and pick the one that makes the most sense. The most gravitational potential energy is the highest one. Now here is yet another wrinkle on a multiple choice. It's a video question. Take a look at this. You watch the video. Okay, interesting. Okay, then you look at the question. Okay, the momentum of all of the balls. Well, we know about conservation of momentum, so it must be the same. It's multiple choice, but you have to refer to the video. Next is a different type of question. These have little boxes in the upper right-hand corner called check boxes. You got to pick the correct answer in all of the boxes. If there are 3 correct answers, you got to pick them. There happens to be, but I'm going to only pick 2 so I can show you what happens when you get something wrong here. Watch. Boom, you get feedback. It says incorrect. Okay, here's another kind of question, not a multiple choice. This one is a fill-in-the-blank thing. You have to write it in yourself. Okay, now, I have a bunch of keywords and phrases here that will be of interest. If you get 1 or 2, you'll get full credit. Here, I'm looking for you to tell me that the astronaut will keep moving due to Newton's first law. Okay, a lot of things would get credit there. Now, here's a long answer question. Type 7 is, I'm looking for phrases, lists, and explanation. Okay, here I've asked you what types of energy are being illustrated. Okay, so watch the video. They won't all be video. This one happens to be. Let's see what happens. So you watch the video, you consider it, or you look at the illustration or whatever I have put up as a resource, and then think, okay, give me a list here. There's potential energy, there's kinetic energy, there's all sorts of different kinds of energy are here. You just got to write a few of them and you'll get full credit. Now here's an interesting thing. Redemption questions, they let you go back and take another shot at a question you got wrong. And we got one wrong, so now we go back and we answer it right. Boom, we get credit. And then you're all done. Okay, so that's how it works. You got any questions? Hit me up. email, text, ask me during class, and look forward to seeing all of you in physics.